I know this is controversial, and you may not believe this, but there really are only 3 reasons why homes won't sell. Here are the 3 reasons why someone's house won't sell. First, and really the most common, the home is just seriously overpriced. Most sellers think their home is worth way more than it is. A good real estate agent will get them back to earth, but sometimes they refuse and list it too high. And the second reason, and this one still really shocks me, is the real estate agent who listed the home is really just terrible. Meaning they don't answer the phone, they don't return calls, they make the home too difficult to show, they don't really list the price appropriately, they're not able to communicate well or negotiate well, and really they're just terrible to deal with. And the third reason is the home just has something wrong with it. It needs major repairs, it smells, or it backs up to a super noisy road. Could be anything like this, or many issues combined. Reach out, we'd love to help you brainstorm and figure out how to get that home moved.